So the next thing I wanted to talk about are Meteor methods. Methods are remote functions that the Meteor clients can invoke. They allow you to hide functionality that you normally would not want exposed to a client. An example of where I've used them is to get authentication tokens from a third-party provider, because I wouldn't want to expose my secret keys to the world. Okay, so let's create a new app just to try some of these methods out. We'll go into our new application directory. We'll open up the project and we'll run it. So again, this has all the generated code that a Meteor application gives you. I'm just going to clear it out for now. Let's go check out that it's sane. There, we've got a new blank application. So the first thing we want to do is write our method. We do that by calling Meteor Methods. You pass it an object. The key of the object is the name of the method. We're going to do say hello. The value is a function which accepts an array of arguments. We'll just use name. Let's check that name is a string. And we'll simply return name plus says hello. And that's it. That's our first server-side method. So let's try this server-side method out from the console. So the way you call a Meteor method is with Meteor.call. The first argument is the name of the function that you've written as a Meteor method. In our case, it's say hello. The second argument is a parameter, name. And the last parameter is a function that has an argument signature with error result. Errors come first, results come second, and we'll just log them. And there, you can see that the call itself returned nothing, the error was nothing, and John says hello. So as you saw before, we had check string. We can actually ensure that the data that is piped into a Meteor call is what we expect it to be by using check. So in this case, it returned an error because the match failed. Another thing you can do with Meteor methods are throw your own errors. So we could have something like if name equals Dave, throw new Meteor error. Dave isn't here. And if the name is Dave, it'll throw this different error. So we'll go try that out quickly. And we can see that the reason it threw is because Dave isn't here. So Meteor methods are a great way to deal with remote call procedures. There's going to be one more thing I'll show you about them, but to be able to show it to you, I first have to show you basic authentication, or how you get a user to log in. So let's go do that next.